Hello everyone, good morning. Let me introduce myself. My name is Yasinta Nuriati. I am a 6th grade student of English Education Study Program at Indonesia Catholic University of St. Paul, Rotterdam. This video was created for my ICT course midterms entitled How to Create Teaching Material Using Technology. To create the material, I used the Gemini. In Gemini, I create a story text about my study habit. First, I enter the topic into Gemini, and then Gemini helped me to generate ideas and create the story text. In Gemini, we can make text include visual and audio. I hope this video will be useful and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. To create the material include the visual and audio. The first, we copy the text, all the text. After that, open the Google Chrome and then typing the GAMENI search. Open the Gemini. After we open the Gemini, we click on Gem Victor. After that, we click on Storybook and then copy your story. After copy your story and the last one, and click on enter and then wait for a few minutes for Gemini create your story. Now your story have done. You can see the visual and you can listen the audio from the story.
A few moments later.
Now please listen the audio about my study habit.
Lena's Bright Ideas, The Secret to Loving Learning. Lena wakes up before the sun has even reached the treetops. With a big stretch and a bright smile, she greets the day, getting ready for whatever adventures learning. She knows that a fresh start in the morning helps her mind feel clear and strong. Before the school bus arrives, Lena takes a few minutes to flip through her science book. Just a quick peek at the diagrams helps her brain wake up and get curious about the lessons ahead. This little preview makes her feel like she is already one step ahead. In the classroom, Lena's pencil is always moving. She listens closely to her teacher, Ms. Amara, and captures the most important ideas in her notebook. She loves decorating the margins of her notes with little stars and bright underlines to highlight the big ideas. Sometimes, a math problem looks like a giant, confusing puzzle. Instead of feeling stuck or giving up, Lena takes a deep breath and raises her hand. She knows that asking for help is one of the smartest things a student can do. Miss Amara walks over and explains the problem in a new way. Lena listens intently, and suddenly the clue clicks into place. Lena realizes that asking a question is like finding a missing puzzle piece that makes the whole picture clear. When she gets home, Lena becomes the captain of her own time. She pulls out her bright markers and creates a weekly schedule. She decides exactly when she will work on her projects, when she will play outside, and when she will read for fun. Lena has a secret weapon for focus, her quiet corner. Tucked away from the noise of the TV and the chatter of the kitchen, she dives into her history book. In this peaceful spot, her imagination can travel back in time through the pages. She makes sure to study a little bit every single day. By doing a small amount of work often, her brain gets stronger and stronger, just like a muscle during exercise. She checks her schedule and feels proud of her progress. Even on the weekends, Lena spends a relaxed hour looking over what she discovered during the week. Sitting on the porch, she reviews her notes and realizes how much she has grown since Monday. It feels like watching a garden bloom. With her notes organized and her questions answered, Lena goes to bed feeling confident and happy. She knows that being a great student isn't about being perfect. It's about the wonderful, steady habits she builds every single day.
Okay, student. After you listen this audio, now we move to do the quiz. Okay, students. This text about Lina's study habit. Okay, the first question is, what is the name of the girl in this story? The next, what does Lina sometimes do while studying? Again. Okay, thank you for your visual. Okay, student. Reading habits include activities like reading, take notes, and make a schedule. Okay, student. Apa gunanya kita belajar tentang my study habit? Okay, thank you. Yang lain? Yang lain? Once again. Yang lain? Apa gunanya kita belajar tentang my study habit?
Ini supaya
Coba dia dulu.
supaya mengingat kembali pelajaran yang dilakukan.
Oke, adik-adik, belajar tentang study habit supaya kita dapat memanage kita punya waktu belajar, supaya tidak terpenggal waktukan, supaya ada. Kalau kita punya skill tentang belajar, tentang waktu belajar, jadi kita tidak ini membuang-buang waktu kita. Apa yang kalian temukan dari ini teks tentang Lina dan tentang study habitnya Lina?
Mengerjakan tugas.
Yang lain?
Sekolahnya anak-anak yang diberikan guru itu. Di sekolah. Rajin belajar.
Belajarnya Lina itu seperti apa?
Membuat schedule ibu.
Dia biasanya kalau pulang sekolah itu membuat apa? Okay, student, what we learn today? Hari ini kita belajar tentang apa?
Belajar tentang bahasa Inggris.
Tentang
Kebiasaan Lina ibu. Saya ibu kebiasaannya Lina ibu.
my study habit. Oke, kamu bisa ulangi apa itu my study habit?
Ibu.
Kebiasaan belajar. Yang lain?
Sabar ya.
Belajar